Well, I am moving my channel since I Suffering District right now. I'll switch it later. Alright. Memorial Day is on Monday, May 25th. So hopefully my previous coming soon. We'll check out the new crossing. Hopefully the bells. Right. 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 Alright. Got the yellow signal. There's probably gonna be a drink on. Check it out. Almost there. Once the camera on until the train gets here, I'll resume filming. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Well, I just pulled up. There's no train coming yet. And if there is, I'll just chase it. So we'll go down the Jackson Boulevard. There's the signal. There's the flashing yellow signal there. Okay. When there's a train coming, when it gets closer, then I'll resume filming when he gets here. Here comes the next video. Well, hey everybody, people in this coming, check it out. Hopefully it's alright. Why don't we just go check it out? We're gonna go take a look at the RS train, the priority air. Travel through this track. We're just over there, got home. Just got to come home now. We're gonna check the RS train out before we roll it. You said us crossing there. So we're doing. Oh, we're gonna go park at the spot. I remember check, so let's go check it out. This is there he goes right there. There's the end of Norfolk Letter 28B. 28B drains to Chicago 963rd Street Yard. And east. The Buffalo Airport turning to the passenger. I gotta go on this side because there's cars coming. Well, on this Saturday, May 24, 2025, for Hawaii Little Trains on YouTube. I'm gonna go check the Norfolk Center. Cars coming. More cars coming. I'm gonna go kick on to Norfolk. Are you kidding me? More cars coming. Look out, more cars coming. gates. Where's it like that? Right. We're gonna go check the Amtrak out. It's probably an Amtrak out. It's still green. He's okay. Yep, the idiot's right now. He's not about close to the block. Now we're gonna go chase it. Now let's go chase it. I'll start coming back. Roll it. Alright, roll it. Well, I think the Amtrak's almost coming. The gates went down on Waverly Road, Dunkirk, New York. I think that's the Amtrak that's approaching. We'll wait till he gets there. Wait till he gets there. He's almost to the bed. Oh, there he goes around 1 minute. I'll leave the light. Let's go wait till he clears the block. Here he comes. There you go, the gates. Check it out. We're gonna chase it. We go on the other side. There he is approaching. Amtrak, alright. Are you kidding me? That's what I've been waiting for. Somebody loud, guys. Pay attention. Cover your ears to somebody loud. This train. Hold up. There's the end of Norfolk Southern 90G. 90G reaching Chicago line at the Rutherford Yard that's west. New York where it terminates. It's a lot of strain. On this Saturday, May 24th, 2025. It's on YouTube. Okay, I did the video. Roll it.